In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Bluebeam links in a browser. If you work with PDFs in Bluebeam Review, you've probably seen clickable links that lead to websites, cloud folders, or online specs. Sometimes you want those links to open directly in your default web browser instead of within Review, and that's exactly what we'll do here. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Review. You can launch Review first and open the file, or simply double-click the PDF if Review is already set as your default viewer. Once the document is open, give it a moment to fully load, especially if it's a large drawing set so the links are ready to interact with. Next, locate the hyperlink in the document. Links can be plain text, a button, an image, or even part of a symbol in a drawing. Hover your cursor over the suspected link and look for the hand icon or a small tooltip showing the destination address. If you see the URL appear, that's a good sign it's a true hyperlink. If it looks like a link but you don't get a hover hint, it may just be styled text, not an actual hyperlink. Now right-click the link. On a mouse, that's a standard right-click. On a trackpad, use a two-finger click, and on a touch device, press and hold to bring up the context menu. If you're in a presentation or full screen mode that hides menus, exit that mode first so you can access the right-click options. From the context menu, choose Open in Browser. Review will hand off the link to your system's default web browser, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and the page will open in a new tab or window. If you prefer a different browser than the one that opens, change your default browser in your operating system settings and try again. If you see a security prompt warning you about opening external content, confirm that you trust the link before proceeding. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Opening in the browser does not modify your PDF, so no worries about changing the file. If nothing happens after you select Open in Browser, check your internet connection or any pop-up blockers or security tools that might be intercepting the request. And if the option seems unavailable for a particular item, it likely isn't a hyperlink, so you would need a properly embedded link for this to work. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF, find the link, right-click, and choose Open in Browser. It's fast, safe when used with trusted sources, and keeps your workflow simple.